Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get lower processes in Windows 11 for faster performance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, gotta go to your search bar and type down Startup Apps. Click on it. Okay, disable apps that you don't want to run when you boot up your computer, just like this one right here. Okay, as you can see here, I only have one. So if you want to, you can turn everything off and it will just open up or run in the background if you open up the specific software or application. Okay, now go ahead and close this one. Once that's done, go ahead over to your search bar once more and type down Appearance. Click on Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. And here, if you want to get low processes, okay, go ahead and select Adjust for Best Performance. And then once that's done, just click on Apply and then click on OK. And then after that, go ahead and go to your Start menu, right click on it and click on Installed Apps. And then in here, just basically uninstall unused software. Okay, for example, you have here Adobe Acrobat. So just click on the three dots beside it and just click on Uninstall. Okay, now another option, go ahead over to your taskbar. Okay, right click on a blank space and click on Taskbar Settings. If you have widgets, disable it. Again, widgets. Disable the widgets as it's costing you a ton of resources. Okay, remember the widgets right here at the bottom left. So disable it, and once done, close this one. Go ahead over to the search bar once more and find Game Bar. Okay, right here we have Game Bar settings. Click on it, wait for it to load, and disable it, just like so. Disable this one as well. Now go ahead and go back to the search bar and find Game Mode. Click on it, enable Game Mode. Okay, this will optimize your PC for play by turning things off in the background. All right, and that is it. That is how you got lower processes on Windows 11. Finally, just restart your computer, and after that, you're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.